Well, welcome guys to another video. Welcome to Angry George. And today's video we're gonna be eating Rice Krispies Squares, pretty much the entire collection. So we have salted caramel pretzels, one, the chocolatey, two, caramel and chocolate. Here you go. The limited edition chocolate orange. See, limited edition over there. And marshmallow. Okay, let's jump into it. But first, to avoid any mess, here we go. So this one, the salted caramel, it came out with 8 bars. I won't try to read all of them and see how it goes. So let's start with salted caramel pretzels. There. So it looks like. It's not that big. Let me check. There. Okay, first one. Ooh. Okay. Smells good. Caramel, sweet, pretzels. Ooh, I can see. Look, pretzel at the top. Bit gooey, sticky. Let's go to the break. Oh, look at that. Okay, my hands are sticky now. First try. Oh. Okay. You need strength on this one, on your jawline. Really good. The score. I would say, actually, I'm going to give at the end. I'm going to try everything first. I'm going to rank them. Also, I'm going to leave the calories on the screen. So, this side we have salted caramel pretzels. This one will be marshmallow. You see? Ooh, look at that. This is much easier to eat. Okay, this is good. It surprised me. You can feel the marshmallow. Oh yeah. Like the caramel, the pretzel caramel. You couldn't get that one. Let's go for chocolate. So it looks like. Look at that. Ooh, okay. That was quick.
That's what she said.
Really? Chocolate. Really sweet. I like this one. So far, I think it's the best one. You see, if you are into chocolate, get this one. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Now, caramel and chocolate. All of them. You see the caramel and chocolate? I expect this to be gooey. Look at that. Wow. I don't know actually. A combination. It's a bit here and there because chocolate and caramel mix, the flavor gets a bit lost. Now, last but not least, limited edition chocolate orange. I don't know. There are things I like the combination of chocolate and orange, but not sure about this one. Ooh, okay. Good. Okay, I can smell orange. Chocolate. Oh, look at that. Yeah. The flavor is there. Good. Nice one. So, let's rank them. Chocolate. The chocolate one. First place. 8. No. 8 out of 10. Sorry. 8 out of 10. Next, caramel and pretzels. Second place. Again, 8 out of 10. Then chocolate orange. Third place. 7 out of 10. Now, between caramel and chocolate. Chocolate caramel. Caramel chocolate. Fourth place. 7 out of 10. And marshmallow. 6 out of 10. Last place. So now, let's eat all of them. Let's go for caramel and pretzels. And cue the sound. Also, I'm gonna leave the calories over there. Total calories of everything. Oh, I need to turn on the light. Okay, small break. Ooh, that's probably a bit too much light, but yeah, alright. Let me change it.
A few moments later.
Not better. As I said, my jawline, ooh, is getting sore again. Marshmallow. Chocolate caramel. Chocolate orange. Pretzels. Salt of caramel. Chocolate. Last bite. Best bite. I'm full. Wow. People, that's it for the video. Thanks very much. I really thanks very much for sticking to the end and watching the video. Please comment below what you want to see next. Leave a like and subscribe. That smash that subscribe button. Until next episode. Cheers.